From Houston, we'd fly south to a place where there are no cars. In fact, there are no roads. The only people who visit are cray fishermen or fly fishermen. And the ones we spoke to said the same thing. If you got the time, go to Belize and then head straight out to the flats. We left Houston International Airport and touched down a few hours later here at Belize International Airport. It wasn't a busy flight. Now, we weren't sure whether this was a taxi or a hearse. Yeah, he certainly drove like it was a hearse. I guess we just had to get used to the pace down this way. There's only one thing better than wading the flats and fishing on a hot summer's day, and that's swimming the flats and fishing on a hot summer's day. I reckon Tom had a really good idea. The water temperature was magnificent. I mean, not that we were going to catch anything. Then again,